تحياتي الخوت العزاز، كيف بقيتو بخير؟ امور مزيان. هاد النهار هذا راني عارض على لاله اسيل وسيدي سند ولاله امنيه وماماهم العزيزه، غنخرجوا نديروا شي عشوه في الزنقه، ولاله امنيه غادي تهضر لنا على هاد الخريجه هذه كي غادي تكون. سند راه عندنا زيزو قالك غادي ناكلوا في الزنقه، غنمشيو نديروا عشيوه زوينه. شنو لاله امنيه؟
So we're going to go get some dinner and get play the bomb cars, the cars. And our mom is filming us, and we're so happy. And we are going to be playing in the bomb cars, getting some candy. I'm going getting waffles, like pizza, anything. Like we're going to go to a restaurant and then go play inside the bomb cars, and then we're going to get some candy. That's it. And I'm so excited for this little little walk. Yeah, that's it.
يلا الخوت تتم الفيديو ان شاء الله باذن الله. تمشيو ونجلسوا وتتبع معنا الامنيه الحدث. Let's go.
Let's go. Hey guys, so we are at the restaurant and we're about to see what we want. I want a burger. I'm going to get a cheeseburger, a double cheeseburger, and where is it? I'm looking for this thing. I'm going to get this. I do that. And these are the things that I'm going to get. And we have my mom and my brother, Sana. And Asil. What are you going to get? A burger? You're not going to get a shawarma? No shawarma? You want a shawarma? You want a crepe? She wants a crepe. Or they call it in English waffles. Waffles, yeah. You want waffles? Yeah. And you want a shawarma? Shawarma. No shawarma? Crepe. No, she said she wants a crepe.
ماماك شنو غتاكل؟
She doesn't know. And we are so excited to get our food. And this is our fourth time coming in here. And I'm so happy. And that's it. Bye. Hey guys, so our food just came and I already took some bites of my burger and I got some fries and my mom got pastisserie and my sister got crepe and it's still cooking and Dad got some
طاجين vieux hash.
And that's it. I'm going to put some sauce. And that's it. We're gonna tell a crepe. And the crepe. And my the knife. This is so fancy. And I love it. How does it taste? Yummy. I'm still eating on my burger. When I'm done, I'm going to take a bite out of it. Bye.